you guys. So I have salt in here, I have garlic powder, I have black pepper powder right here, I have crushed red chili pepper. I mean, these are the crushed ones. And I have a powder, red chili powder. I have a coriander powder. I have cumin seeds. And in the fresh ingredients, I have cilantro chopped. I have baby onions chopped. And I have green chilies, the jalapeno chopped. So we're gonna put all these ingredients in here in our boiled potatoes to make aloo kebab. So let's do that. Alright, so I'm adding all my dry ingredients on the potatoes right here. So the garlic powder, red chili powder, and the coriander powder goes all on top. And now I'm gonna add the green and the fresh ingredients. So I have cilantro, I have the green baby onions, and I have the chopped jalapenos. Goes all in here. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just mash everything up so everything gets settled down together. So kind of it's gonna make a paste. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. You guys just have to make sure the potatoes are soft. Other than that, it's very easy process. And the spoon, let me show you the spoon what I'm using. So this is kind of a smasher. You can use that. It's very good. I mean, it's gonna give you the perfect taste. I mean, plus the perfect mixing you want. Alright friends, so all the mixing is done for the potatoes. Now let's move to the next process. So I have 2 eggs here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break 1 egg just like that right here. Then I'm gonna take another egg, break just like that. I'm gonna just mix those guys up so the whites and the yellows, they get mixed up. Alright, so our potato mixing is ready. Our 2 eggs mixing is ready as well. And now let's move to the next part. So we're gonna take a pan, we're gonna add some oil in the pan because these are fried kebabs. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna move these guys right next to our frying pan, which gonna be right here. Alright, so my oil is hot. This is actually on a medium flame. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take potatoes and I'm gonna try to make a small patty out of potatoes. So it's gonna be very simple, very easy, guys. I mean, using hand in cooking, I mean, all professional chefs in the world, I mean, they do use their hands. So it's gonna be like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover the patty with the eggs and then we're gonna just slide it in the oil just like that. So let's flip this guy over. Alright, making second one. I mean, once you guys are making the patties, I mean, it's okay. I mean, you can use a little bit water just to make those patties out. Now adding the second one. Right, so this is the fourth one without the coating. Let's do the coating again. Coating of egg actually. And we're gonna take it out and put it right here in the oil. I mean, once they get fried, they're gonna be all fine. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth. Our first kebab, both sides are ready. They are brown. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it out and put it in a plate right there. Adding a little bit more eggs just to keep everything intact. Alright, I'm using a different spoon because it's give a little bit cover to our kebabs. Alright guys, so the aloo kebabs are done. I will see you on the next one. Please take care of yourself and enjoy your life.